Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase traffic analytics with Ahrefs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool on the main dashboard. Enter your website URL into the search bar and click the magnifying glass icon. Review the overview report to get insights into your organic traffic data. Click on the Organic Search tab to analyze the keywords driving traffic to your site. Take note of the keywords with high search volume but low keyword difficulty. Identify pages on your site that are already ranking for these keywords. Examine the top performing pages by clicking Top Pages under the Organic Search tab. Look for trends in the content of these successful pages. Next, explore the Content Explorer feature. Enter a relevant keyword to discover top performing content in your niche. Analyze the number of backlinks, social shares, and organic traffic of these articles. Find gaps in the content that can be filled with your own unique insights. Create high-quality content that answers relevant questions or solves problems. Incorporate the identified keywords naturally into your content. Use the Keyword Explorer tool to find additional keyword suggestions. Focus on long-tail keywords that may have less competition. Check your site's backlinks using the Backlink Profile report. Reach out to referring domains of your high-performing pages for potential backlinks. Utilize the Disavow Links tool if you identify any harmful or low-quality links. Monitor your site's performance regularly using the Site Audit feature. Set up alerts to notify you of significant changes in your traffic or rankings. Implement a content promotion strategy across social media platforms. Consider using PPC campaigns to boost visibility for targeted keywords. Regularly update and refresh existing content to keep it relevant. Analyze user behavior and engagement metrics to improve site experience. Track your results over weeks and months to adapt your strategy accordingly. Use Ahrefs insights to continually refine your SEO approach for better traffic analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.